Hello and welcome, everybody. It's been a little bit. Need to get back into the groove of it. But today I wanted to go over something, just really quick, short video. And it's what I call the trade cycle. When we talk about building truth or your truth or your trust or getting to that point where you believe that this actually works, I think this is one of the final steps is kind of going through these trade cycles. So here's some trades that have been happening. It's been about 6 weeks of trades. This is a trade plan that has been tested for 2 or 3 years. I think it has about a 46% win rate, but it's going for a 1 to 1.5, meaning that the reward is 1.5 and the risk is 1. So if we were doing 100 points for the risk, the reward would be 150 points or points in percentage. So you don't have to win. It's greater. Your reward is greater than a 1 to 1. And so at this, I believe you're winning 40 something percent. You have a pretty good growth curve. And so this tested, I think, about 46% over the few years. And these are some journal trades that have been taken. And so I just kind of want to walk through this scenario a little bit with you because I think this happens a lot to traders. They go and they grab a percentage, and let's say their percentage is 45%, and they're pretty confident. They do the math, they see that it's going to work when you work out the math, and then we start trading it in the live market. And what happens? First trade, we lose. Second trade, we lose. Third trade, we lose. Right now, if you're a new trader, you're not feeling like it's 45 or 46% or whatever it's at. You're feeling like it's at 0%. You're feeling like it doesn't work. Something's wrong. The market has changed. Somebody's after you. All sorts of things are probably running through your head. I know they were running through my head when I was a new trader. And then you don't take a trade. Then you win a trade. And you're like, okay, there we go. And then a couple days without a trade. And then you lose. And it's like, geez, I've won 1 out of 5 trades. So it's acting or it's trading at 20% instead of that 46%, 45% that you tested. A lot of traders might give up right now, start changing things. If they would, they'd probably miss out on some stuff. But let's say you keep fighting through it and you trade again and you win. Okay, good. And then we lose and then we lose again. So the first 8 trades that you've taken, we've won 2 trades out of 8 trades. All right. So you can't even see that. So I brought over my calculator, but it doesn't show up on the screen. So if that is 2 trades that we have won and we have taken 8 trades, it comes out to 25%. Okay. So 25% out of the first 8 trades. And you've tested this thing for a couple years, 2 or 3 years in back testing. So the back testing, let's say, is showing 45-ish percent. I can't remember exactly what it was at. It was around 45, I think, maybe 44 or 46, something of that nature. And you've just taken 8 trades and you're at 25%. This doesn't work. Can't believe this. I'm going to quit, or I need to change something. And maybe we've had in back testing, right? Maybe we've had 300 trades, right? 300 trades in back testing. So we have this larger number with a 45%, and then we've taken 8 trades with only 25%. For some crazy reason, we're going to believe this law of small numbers, or this little bit of numbers over this large numbers. And I know why. It's all about emotion. It's all about fear, especially if this is real money, right? It's not a demo account anymore. It's real money. I know there's a lot of emotions happening here. It's like, this is not working. And most quit, right? This is down now 1,500 something bucks, about 1,500 bucks. Most quit, right? Or they change something, or they start all over. They get frustrated. Doesn't work. Hands up in the air. But if they just, math is a funny thing, right? We used to say this saying a lot that, people lie, men lie, women lie, kids lie. You can manipulate facts, right? The weather is never predictable. um, all these things lie, but numbers don't lie. The math is the math. If you stay in the game long enough to play it, right? The odds, the probabilities, they're true. Especially if you get a large enough number to back that statement up. And a big part is if you can execute it at a high level. So a normal trader is just like, hey, this is it. I know what 45% is. I know I can win 25%. That math is not out of the realm. And so the normal trader or the trader just continues to trade, and then they win. Okay? And they win. Now we've won 3 in a row. We lose, win, lose, win. Okay? So now the next 8 trades, we've won 5 and only lost 3. Now this is out of the next 8 trades. We're now at 62.5%. And if you add these together and divide it by 2, you're probably going to be pretty close to what our average is. And the larger these numbers get, the bigger the sample size gets, the closer it's going to get to this average. So we add that together, 62.5 plus 25%, that equals 87.5. You divide that by 2, it's 43. So now we're trading at 43.75%. And we've now have started to see what a trade cycle is. Where we start trading, okay, whether it goes up first and then down, right? Can you get it to go back up again? Can you execute at a high level through all those emotions? This is kind of a trade cycle. It's gone down and it's gone back up. And you have to make sure through this trade cycle we're executing at a very high level. Okay? I think there's only one missed trade out of these 16 trades. So 15 divided by 16. It's been executed at a 93.75%. We don't want execution to be messing with our average, right? Our trades, our win percentage. So you got to make sure your execution is good, and you just have to get through this. Now, for me, this took 3, 4, 5 times to get through these trade cycles before that belief or that truth really started hitting home. Hopefully this makes sense. I just wanted to kind of show this a little bit. I think it's just a good reminder that this is what trading is. And people that understand trading, a lot of new traders don't think trading is losing. They just think it's about winning and making money. And they don't understand that winning trades and losing trades is trading. It's never going to go away. You won't lose all your trades, nor will you win all your trades. You're going to win trades and you're going to lose trades. And if you've done the work and you've gotten a large number of trades to show you what the probability is of that trade plan, and if it's above the minimum percentage for your account to grow with whatever risk to reward ratio you're doing or whatever money management you're doing, if you can start doing it at a high level of execution and get to that large number, that's your goal. If you've back tested 5, 6, 7, 800 trades, you've gotten this percentage, you're like, this is going to work if I trade it. But your goal now is to get to that 5, 6, 7, 800 trades with almost perfect execution to see that it works, to believe that it does. That's that final step on how you build that truth or that trust or that belief, whatever you want to look at it. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions or comments, please hit me up. If you like this video, please hit the like, subscribe button so it can help get out I'm going to do better and trying to get some more videos out. Just been busy with the holiday, graduation, summer. It's just kind of that time where some things start to happen. So I'm going to try and get back in the groove of this stuff. But have a great day today, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.